FL Studio now has awesome piano roll scripts. Go to the browser, click Library, Piano Roll Scripts and find text-to-chord progressions. Click the download button and entertain yourself for 5 seconds. You will find this script in any piano roll instrument, so let's open it. Click on the tools and there you will find your piano roll scripts. Open that bad boy up and you can paste in any chord that FL Studio will make for you. Or look up your favorite song in the internet and grab those chords. You can also type in Roman numerals and FL Studio will create the progression for you. This is great for us lazy or handy people out there. Goodbye, fellow friends.